Moes Group LLC supplies premium skincare ingredients backed by scientific research and crafted with unrivaled purity for safe, effective, and luxurious formulations. Moes Group is strategically located in Los Angeles, California, near the major ports of Los Angeles and Long Beach. We specialize in creating effective and innovative custom formulations for a wide range of beauty products, including hair care and body care. Our private labeling services empower you to create customized products that reflect your brand identity, giving you full control over design, packaging, and production. Our state-of-the-art manufacturing facilities are equipped to produce your products with precision at both small and large scale. We provide more than just ingredients, offering comprehensive R&D support with expert formulation assistance and personalized ingredient recommendations. Our team designs and creates stunning packaging options that not only protect but also elevate your product's appeal, aligning seamlessly with your brand vision from concept to completion. We offer a wide range of packaging options crafted from plastic, glass, aluminum, and paper, including jars, bottles, tubes, boxes, and cartons. We uphold the highest standards through rigorous quality checks at every stage of production, ensuring consistency, safety, and exceptional performance in every product. Whether you are developing a new line or enhancing an existing one, Moes Group has the right ingredients and the expertise to support your success. Contact us today.